Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore a case study on classifying cells using machine learning. This presentation is tailored for those interested in learning how machine learning can be applied to real-world datasets, specifically in healthcare applications like breast cancer diagnosis. Let's dive in. Here's what we'll cover in this presentation. First, we'll learn how to understand decision boundaries for classification models. We'll discuss the impact of hyperparameters on model accuracy and how to evaluate whether a model is a good fit for a dataset. Finally, we'll implement two popular classification methods: k-nearest neighbors and support vector machines, using Python's scikit-learn library. This outline sets the stage for understanding both the theoretical and practical aspects of cell classification. Breast cancer is one of the most commonly diagnosed cancers, with approximately 270,000 cases annually in the US. Early detection is crucial, and biopsies play a key role in determining whether a lump is benign or malignant. Benign lumps are non-cancerous and typically harmless, while malignant lumps are cancerous and require treatment to prevent spreading. The Wisconsin Breast Cancer Database contains 569 scans of biopsied breast tissue, with features like cell radius, perimeter, and texture. The dataset labels benign cells as diagnosis equals 0 and malignant cells as diagnosis equals 1. If you'd like to explore the dataset, you can find it at the UCI Machine Learning Repository. https://archive.ics uci.edu/ml/datasets/breast+cancer+wisconsin+diagnostic. To start, we load and visualize the dataset. The provided Python code uses the Seaborn library to create box plots, helping us understand how features like the mean radius vary between benign and malignant cells. Decision boundaries are key to understanding classification models. These boundaries separate data points into different classes. For instance, k-nearest neighbors classifies points based on proximity to neighbors, and adjusting the hyperparameter k changes the boundaries and can impact model performance. Next, we look at k-nearest neighbors in action. The code snippet provided fits k-nearest neighbors models with different values of k. By comparing accuracy across models, we can understand how the choice of k affects performance. Support vector machines, or SVMs, offer another approach to classification by finding a hyperplane that separates classes. Hyperparameters like the kernel function and loss function slope significantly impact SVM performance. Common kernels include linear, polynomial, and radial basis functions. Finally, we fit SVM models with different kernels using scikit-learn. The code demonstrates how to train these models and compare their accuracy, giving us a deeper understanding of how kernel choices affect classification results. To summarize, decision boundaries are essential for visualizing and understanding classification tasks. Hyperparameters play a significant role in both model accuracy and boundary smoothness. K-nearest neighbors and SVMs are flexible tools for classification, and Python's scikit-learn library makes implementation straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.